Welcome to Market Snapshot from the InCred Equities desk. In this podcast, our expert from the equities research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty had a stellar run yesterday, and this was some part in line with expectations what we shared earlier, and some part of that was really surprising. So the first part that we were discussing that Nifty has been in the range 23,850 in hourly close above this can push it towards 24,100, 200. So that was achieved and that was in line with expectations. However, the intensity of this target being done in a single day with the 450 points upside towards the trading session, that was not expected. I was expecting a more gradual move. As I said, next week we'll have a positive streak, but in a single day, this was seen. Of course, this was also helped by the expiry day, weekly expiry. 24,000 call option, if you remember, I've been calling that it's seen a good amount of writing. Once they were forced to cover their positions, there was no looking back for Nifty. And that was the best performing index. If you talk about Bank Nifty, that was also up 550 points, but clearly an underperformer. If you look at the mid-cap 100 or small-cap 100 index, they were also underperforming. Small-cap was down 60 bips and mid-cap was almost up. Small-cap was up by 60 bips and mid-cap was up by maximum 1%. So it was also seen significantly underperforming Nifty index. Same was the case with Bank Nifty. Apart from Nifty Auto, which were up more than 3%, majority of sectors were seen underperforming Nifty index. So it was a day that was led by large cap Nifty stocks. Going forward, 24,000 is going to be a key support area to watch out for. Once the writers were forced to cover the positions on the call side, now put writing is seen on a very aggressive note. As long as 24,000 is sustained, we may see more upsides towards 24,400, 24,500. Any declines towards 24,000 can be bought into, keeping a stop loss of 100 points, playing for 24,200 to 24,400 targets on an immediate basis. If you look at the US markets, they opened on a positive note. They were not thumpingly positive, but they were up anywhere between 30-40 bips. Towards the end of trading session, they were seen entering into negative territory and they closed with minor losses around 20 bips, 30 bips. So in isolation, not much of an activity, but the fact that from higher levels we have seen some profit booking, that can put some pressure in Indian markets as well. This is reflected by GIFT Nifty, which is showing 110 points cut as we speak, and with all likelihood will open on a negative note. Are we sustaining those gap down openings or are we recovering right away? Something we'll have to see. Generally, when you have a very strong expiry day, the following day is generally a range bound or a mild day. So if 24,050, 24,100 on a very mid basis, if that is also sustained, we may see a bounce back again happening. For now, it's wait and watch. Do not be in a hurry to buy either Nifty or Bank Nifty. Let us see what happens. FIs yesterday witnessed 1,500 crores worth in cash buying. Domestic negligible, 22 crores worth in cash. So some amount of positivity is coming back to the FIs segment, and that can also keep Nifty on a slightly elevated levels. So that will from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.